Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Diablo 2 on PC. First, you will need to purchase the game, which is readily available as a digital download from Blizzard's Battle.net platform. Before buying, quickly check that your personal computer meets the game's minimum system requirements to ensure a smooth experience. Once you have the game, you will also need a Battle.net account, which is free to create and essential for both installation and online play. After purchasing, download the game client from your Battle.net account. The installation process is straightforward. Simply follow the prompts. The launcher will automatically handle any required patches or updates, ensuring you have the latest version. Once installed, launch the game and navigate to the options menu. Here, you can fine-tune your video and audio settings to achieve the best balance between visual quality and performance on your specific machine. Your camp is your home base, and contributing resources like food and money is vital for morale and upgrades. Keep an eye on Arthur's 3 core stats: health, stamina, and dead-eye. These improve through various activities and challenges. Visit the general store or gunsmith to purchase new outfits, tonics, and weapon modifications. A well-equipped Arthur is a successful Arthur in the Wild West. Gameplay involves exploring diverse environments, battling hordes of demons, and managing your inventory. You will click to move, attack, and interact with objects. Completing quests is crucial for advancing the rich storyline and earning experience, gold, and powerful items. Always be on the lookout for better equipment, as finding rare and unique items is a core part of the game's appeal. Remember to save your game regularly, especially in single-player mode, to preserve your progress.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.